sketchy. Back end's going out.
I'm going to stuck it. I'm warning.
Oh dear. It's 2020, can you believe that? Happy New Year guys, I hope everyone had a good one. Ours was actually pretty quiet because usually we go away for the New Year's for a few days, just as a little break after Christmas. But first, I wanted to test something out. I want to keep an eye on the chickens whilst I'm away. And I've got hold of this little camera, which is actually up there. Well, actually a company called IMU, I think it's how you say it, it's on the side there. They just sent it to me, so I'm just going to test it out and see. But the reason why I wanted to test this, it's been in the box for ages, is it's got a really big battery in. I can't remember the size of it, but it's got a large battery in there, so it can run for days without having to plug into power, because I haven't got power out here, believe it or not. But I've noticed because of all the activity from the chickens, it's still caning the battery. So what I'm going to try and do is rig up this solar panel, which is a USB solar panel. Now it's not waterproof, so that might cause me some problems, but I'm going to give it a go, see what happens. Oh, right, I've got it plugged in anyway. It's also not very bright, so who knows what's going to happen. But the little light's on anyway. Right, here's the app. So it's working. Yeah, there is a little thing here which shows you the battery. That's saying battery in use. It doesn't look like it's even charging. Right, well that didn't really work, guys. Solar panel's not big enough and not enough sun, so anyway, we're away now. I'm filming this on the GoPro Hero 8 and the stabilisation looks insane. Let me know what you think. I know the audio is probably not going to be that great, but yeah, let me know what you think. This is where we're staying anyway. Pretty cool, isn't it? Another cabin, it's not off-grid though. The tide actually goes out really far. It's just giving me an idea. A long time ago in an early vlog, I actually skateboarded along the beach in Devon and it trashed my DIY skateboard. But what I'm thinking, boosted board on here. Come on little guys. We're in a place called Rye now. A bit more firewood. So yeah, this place is pretty interesting, guys. It's a bunch of cabins right on the Kent coast near Romney, New Romney, that's where it is. And they've got that kind of, that's where that railway thing is, the Romney Highlands Dymchurch railway thing. And these cabins they actually offer for sale as well, so you can actually buy these cabins and put them wherever you want, I suppose. Just put them on a piece of land or in your garden or something like that. They're quite sort of eco style cabins, but really interesting. I don't know how much they are, but always gets me thinking about stuff like this, because you know I did that video before of the off-grid cabin and it had the full Victron off-grid setup. I'm making my dogs bark now because I'm standing outside the door. Anyway, this is the last night we're here. We're going to go and check out Camber Sands tomorrow, because that's kind of like, I don't know if it's on the way home, but we're going to do a little detour there anyway. Check that out, because the weather's supposed to be a lot better tomorrow, and I'm hoping be able to get the old skateboard on the beach. Be a nice day today. Check out time. Here goes then. I think I might need to use a bit of a run up because this sand's pretty soft. Let's try and... Oh! That's so sketchy. Back end's going out. This is wicked. Let's see how fast it can go. I've shaved off 10% already, so I've got it in performance mode, in the pro mode, because otherwise it just hasn't got enough torque to do it. Of course, this board is awesome because it's got 2 independent motors to give you the maximum amount of power, and I think it pushes about 1500 watts. This is so funny. It just feels awesome. I'm going to end up coming off this thing in a minute. Well, that wasn't good. I just hit that and just went flying off the front of it. Yeah, this is pretty dodgy because you could be going along normal sand and then all of a sudden you just hit like a sort of lower, wetter sand and you just go flying off the front. So I need to keep my speed down, so otherwise I'm going to end up going flying in the air. Oh, that's the trick. You've got to... Oh no, it's too deep. The front wheels just dig in like that. Need to find somewhere where it's a bit firmer. Oh, getting a bit of slippage now. Oh dear, we've done a belt. That's alright, I can change a belt, but I haven't got any here. So there's the answer to the question anyway, guys. The boosted board does work on the beach, but you might trash it. That's it for this one, I hope you enjoyed it. Catch you next video, guys.